The History of Logarithm. The invention of logarithms was cued by the need to find a connection between arithmetic and geometric sequences. From the previous chapter, it is known that in a geometric sequence each term forms a constant ratio with the next one. For example, the geometric sequence, we have the following shown on screen. Has a common ratio r equals 10, as the terms increase by a factor of 10 with respect to the previous one. On the other hand, in an arithmetic sequence, each successive term differs by a constant from the previous one. This constant is known as the common difference d. For example, the arithmetic series, we have the following shown on screen. Has a common difference of d equals 1. Note that a geometric sequence can be written in terms of its common ratio. For the example, the geometric sequence given can be written as, we have the following shown on screen. Multiplying two numbers in the geometric sequence, for example 1 over 10 and 100, is equal to adding the corresponding exponents of the common ratio, -1 and 2. In both cases, we obtain 10 to the power of 1 is equal to 10. In this way, multiplication is transformed into addition. The original comparison between the two series, however, was not based on any explicit use of the exponential notation. This was a later development. The first table based on the concept of relating geometric and arithmetic sequences was published in 1620. The concept of the logarithm was defined, a concept which was first proposed by John Napier. Thus, instead of considering the geometric sequence, we have the following shown on screen. We can consider only their logarithm. In this way, we obtain the corresponding arithmetic series. We have the following shown on screen. Given that we have the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 13.1.2. To continue this tutorial, please watch 13.1.3, the properties of logarithm. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.com.